You know, your first periodic exam is of business only, I think. Class 11th and 12th. First exam is of business studies. So from Thursday onward, tomorrow I will finish this chapter, and then we will have revision of chapter number 1, 2, 3, and you can ask your doubts and clear your concepts even more, even more. Everybody will keep the
Okay,
camera
sir.
on all the time. If you want to be in class, you have to keep your camera on all the time. Otherwise, you will be removed from the class immediately. Benefits of e-business. Keep a pencil in your hand, pen in your hand, rough notebook in front of you. Also, if you want, you can underline in your books only. It is far better to write everything in the book. In rough notebook or in other notebooks, when you write, you may lose that. At the time of exam, etc., you have to study from your book only. It is far better that you write each and everything in your book, the meanings, the highlights, the points, everything, the concepts, meanings, so that you find them at one place and it is beneficial for you. Benefits of e-business. You all experience it daily. You all are aware of the benefits of e-business because you use them. Whenever you order something online, whenever you use any of the e-business tools, what do you experience? You experience that it is very quick, it is very fast. You have wide choice. You have safety of transaction these days because the frauds, etc., have come down. It is not as it used to be earlier. When we talk of e-business, it is very easy. It is very easy to form and close. Establishment of e-business is very easy. You just need a laptop. You just need internet connection. That can also be done through your mobiles these days. That can also be done through your mobile these days. So the formation, ease of formation and lower investment requirement of the investment at the beginning of the business is very less. You need very less capital for the establishment of e-business. Is the point clear? Convenience, lot of convenience is there. You see 24 into 7, 24 into 7, the services are available. Customer care service is also available. Whatever you do, whatever product you purchase, the service is available 24 into 7, free of cost. Free of cost. You have to only pay for the service or the replacement of goods or parts. Otherwise, it is very convenient. It also allows employees to work from their homes. To work from their homes. Like we are experiencing it now, online teaching. Without internet, we would not have been able to do so. We are sitting at our homes and we are experiencing virtual study, which is almost similar to face-to-face study if you are serious and if you are really eager to learn. So it gives us the flexibility to work from our homes also. Not only from home, from anywhere. Like Prerna, you can see Prerna is experiencing it outside. Even if she is not at home, she can take the class. If she is serious, if she is eager to take the class, she can take it from outside also, no problem. But it should not be always. There should be proper place for the knowledge. For the knowledge, when you are gaining knowledge, when you are into serious studies, the atmosphere should also be conducive. Atmosphere should also be, favorable to you. It should suit to your requirement. Anyways, good. And speed तो आपको बताइए, speed of the internet, you know, it is much faster than the normal business activities or transactions. With the click of the mouse, with the click of OK, the amount is transferred, the order is booked, and each and everything becomes so simple. Also, it has global reach. The business, e-business has a global reach. E-business is extended all over the world, anywhere, across the nations, around the world, in different countries. You can do e-business. Lower operating cost. The cost of operations is very low. खर्चा जो है इसमें बहुत कम है. मेंटेनेंस, रिपेयर, डे टू डे जो ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट आती है, इट इज वेरी लेस. आप अगर एक ऑफिस खोलेंगे, एक बिजनेस हाउस आपका होगा, इट विल हैव लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस, डेली एक्सपेंसेस. बट हियर द एक्सपेंसेस विल बी वेरी वेरी लेस. Expenses will be very very less. Also, movement towards a paperless society. When we use this e-business, the transactions, all other activities are done online, then less and less paperwork is required. We are moving towards a greener society. We are helping conserve environment. That is the reason digitalization is given more weightage, more importance. Indirectly, we are helping our society. Most of the government taxes you can pay online. Most of the, not only government but now private expenses can be paid online. Therefore, you need not carry hard cash with you. You need not have anything to be written on paper. It all can be on your mobiles, on documents, and they can be, in the form of soft copy, not in the form of hard copy. Very convenient to use, cheaper, less investment, faster, safety, storage. Lot of things can be stored. Thousands and thousands of transactions, lakhs of transactions can be stored and can be kept for a long period of time. Otherwise, you have to do everything in the traditional form, in the written way, which is manually very very difficult these days. These are the merits of e-business. Anybody would like to ask anything? Any point not clear? Clear? Okay. Next is limitations of e-business. Limitations or some of the constraints of e-business, where e-business, you will say, does not match with the traditional business. In personal touch, number one, personal touch. There is no personal touch in doing e-business or getting yourself involved in e-business. When you are in traditional business, you go to a shop, you go to a person, you have personal relations with them, you talk to them, you interact with them, you develop good relations with them, and you bargain with them. No, there is no such thing in e-business. You have to do all the activities, all the transactions on phone, on internet. You do not see the other person also. There is no personal touch also. For them, you are only a customer. But in traditional business, you can be, you can be a cousin, or you can be a brother, sister, uncle, aunt, and you treat them in personal way. Incongruence between order taking, giving, and order fulfillment speed. Online shopping is definitely at a click, but physical delivery takes time. फिजिकल डिलीवरी टेक्स टाइम. जो आप ऑर्डर करते हैं और जो डिलीवरी मिलती है उसके बीच में टाइम गैप है. बट जब आप ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस में ये काम करते हैं, यू गो टू अ शॉप एंड व्हाट हैपेंस? व्हेन यू गो टू अ शॉप, यू ऑर्डर, यू पे, एंड इमीडिएटली यू टेक द डिलीवरी. ऑर्डर गिविंग एंड डिलीवरी ऑफ द गुड्स इज एट द सेम टाइम, बट देयर इज नो कॉन्ग्रुएंस. कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स पढ़े होंगे आपने 10th में, which overlap one another completely, right? तो ये order giving and delivery are not congruent in e-business. They are incongruent. It is written there incongruent. इसका meaning ये है that incongruence, that they are not at the same time. There is time gap. कई बार तो ऑर्डर दिए हुए बहुत टाइम हो जाता है एंड द goods are not delivered at right time. Goods are not delivered at right time. Is it clear to everyone? Next, need for technology capability and competence. Need for technology capability and competence. You also need to be technologically advanced enough. You also need to be very very competent enough. आपको चलाना तो आना चाहिए ना, चाहे वो कंप्यूटर हो, चाहे वो आपका फोन हो, और एनीथिंग, जो भी उसमें जरूरत पड़ेगी आपको to enable yourself to order something. You should be also able to read the instructions. You should also be able to order the products properly, also fulfill the requirement. इसलिए जो है आपने देखा है बहुत सारे लोग जो है ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग नहीं कर पाते हैं, ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस नहीं कर पाते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट competent enough. They are afraid also that something, some loss may happen because of payment on through debit card or credit card. So they are not very very confident enough to use this facility. Increased risk due to anonymity and non traceability of parties. Anonymity का मतलब होता है not known, unknown. Anonymity एक वर्ड है वहां पर, ANONY, anonymity. That means something which is not known, unknown, or which cannot be traced. कई पोएम्स आपने देखी होंगी, कई स्टोरीज आपने देखी होंगी, उसके नीचे लिखा होता है एनोनिमस, ANONYMOUS. एनोनिमस मीन्स द ऑथर इज नॉट नोन. कई ऐसी प्रोवर्ब्स होंगी, कई ऐसे कोट्स होते हैं जिनके नीचे ऑथर के नाम लिखे होते हैं, बट देयर आर सम जिनके नीचे लिखा होता है एनोनिमस, मीन्स नॉट नोन अबाउट द ऑथर, इट इज नॉट नोन हु हैज रिटन इट, ठीक है, सो दैट यू शुड टेक केयर, anonymous. Next is people resistance. people resistance people resistance का मतलब है जो ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस करते हैं, दे रेजिस्ट इट बिकॉज इससे उनके बिजनेस में एडवर्स इफेक्ट पड़ता है। इसके लिए बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत पड़ती है। दोज हु आर ऑलरेडी इन द जॉब, दे हैव टू डू एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेनिंग, they have to use extra time, so they sometimes oppose it, that we do not want this, it is disturbing our routine life. For this we have to undergo many training programs which are not required because we were appointed on certain other terms and conditions. Why we should do this? It is not our job, so and so. Then ethical fallouts, moral ethics are not followed. ई बिजनेस में आप देखिए कोई किसी तरह का कोई जो है वो नहीं है, मॉरल एथिक्स नहीं है उसमें। पीपल में चीट यू टू एनी एक्सटेंट, पीपल में चीट यू टू एनी एक्सटेंट ना, और उसमें कोई भी किसी भी तरह का इंटरेक्शन जो है वो नहीं होता है। स्वीट इंटरेक्शन इज नॉट देयर। व्हेन यू गो टू अ सर्टेन शॉप, you greet the shopkeeper greets you, hello, how are you, how is your father, how is your family, you talk about so many things. There is moral ethics which are followed. You can complain to him, you can go to him again and again, and you can ask him so many things about the product. But in the online, these things are missing. Personal touch, moral ethics, these all are missing in e-business. These are some of the limitations, but we have to also see that it has many advantages also. So there has to be a proper balance, there has to be a rational approach which can fulfill our requirement, so that our requirements are fulfilled and we are better into a higher standard of living, and our living becomes more and more smooth and more systematic. These two topics, anybody would like to ask? Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of the line internet transaction occur between cyber personalities?
Cyber personalities here does not refer to any particular, it means to say that the transactions take place between those who know something about it. You have to be competent enough to operate or to do business electronically. उसमें आपको वो चीजें तो आनी चाहिए ना जिसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी बिजनेस करने में. So both are cyber. Cyber का मतलब है both are doing e-business or both know something about it. It does not specifically pointing towards some particular class of people or persons. It is pointing towards that two persons need to be cyber competent. Technology उनको पता होनी चाहिए. They should know what they are doing online. वरना लॉस, फ्रॉड, नो, इसके चांसेस जो है ज्यादा है. Because you cannot trace the person in this. Sometimes it becomes very difficult because of anonymity to trace the party जिसके साथ आपकी डीलिंग हुई थी. Anybody else? Next is very simple. what are the resources or what are the tools, equipments, what are the things which are required for e-business, successful e-business implementation. Meenakshi, do you have the book?
Yes, sir.
Please read the points. What are the tools or equipments required for successful implementation of e-business? What do we require? Number one,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, it's time to me, sir, because I am out of station.
Okay. Vishakha, Vishakha, do you have the book?
Yes, sir.
Please read the points. What do we require for e-business?
The page number.
Eh? Turn the camera on and speak. What are the things which we require? We require proper website of our business. Number one, we require proper website of our business. Where from our business is purchased by the customers. Our website should be well designed. आपने स्कूल की वेबसाइट देखी होगी. All the information regarding school are there. Each and everything is written about the school, its objective, its admission criteria, it's about its infrastructure, about its objective, aim, goal. No, everything is there about the staff, about the facilities, and it is designed in such a way that people read about it, like to know about the various activities. Similarly, you must have seen websites of different colleges, universities, schools, hospitals, hotels, restaurants, malls. Those are designed to attract people. And if website is not there, ये तो वैसे ही है जैसे आपका कोई एड्रेस ही नहीं होगा. If you do not have an address, आप किसी से कहेंगे कि आप हमारे यहाँ आइए, कहाँ आइए? You don't have address. What will you tell? You cannot say कि आप जो है किच्छा में आ जाना, I will meet you. Where in Kicha? Where in Awas Vikas? What is the house number, etc., etc. So many things are there. So unless you have an address, website, your business dealings cannot be done with the outside parties. Number two, appropriate computer hardware is required. These days you have to see for what purpose you require to set up this business. उसके लिए आपको कंप्यूटर कौन सा चाहिए, कौन सी जनरेशन का होना चाहिए, कितनी उसकी मेमोरी होनी चाहिए. जब आप फोन खरीदते हैं, जब आप टीवी खरीदते हैं, तो आप देखते हैं ना कि आपको किस पर्पस के लिए चाहिए और उसके लिए मिनिमम हार्डवेयर रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. तो आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि वो हैंग होता रहता है या फिर जो है चलता नहीं है प्रॉपरली, बार बार शट डाउन हो जाता है. तो वो इसलिए बिकॉज इट इज नॉट कंपैटिबल. कंपैटिबल का मतलब है उसके बराबर की जरूरत का वो नहीं है, इट इज लेस. सो यू हैव टू सी कि आपका हार्डवेयर, इवन सॉफ्टवेयर भी आपका जो है कि विंडोज 10 सही रहेगी या 8 सही रहेगी या 7 सही रहेगी, वट एवर डिफरेंट softwares are there which will suit to the requirement. So you have to see that both hardware and software are compatible to your business. आपके business के according होने चाहिए. आपके पास टेक्निकल स्टाफ होना चाहिए, जिनको भी आप अपॉइंट करेंगे उनको सबको ये चीजें आनी चाहिए. They should be well trained, they should be qualified persons. इफेक्टिव टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम्स होने चाहिए आपके पास. आजकल ऑप्टिकल फाइबर का आपको पता है जमाना है, राइट? ऑप्टिकल फाइबर वेरी फास्ट, टेलीफोन लाइंस वगैरह भी आप देख रहे हैं सब जो है ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स में कन्वर्ट की जा रही है। और इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी आपकी फास्ट होनी चाहिए, स्पीड वाईफाई अगर आपको जरूरत है उसकी वो लगाना चाहिए। एवरीथिंग शुड बी अकॉर्डिंगली अपडेटेड और लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी आपको यूज करनी होगी। देन कंप्यूटराइज सिस्टम ऑफ रिसीविंग पेमेंट्स एंड मेकिंग पेमेंट्स, जो आपने पेमेंट करनी है कंप्यूटराइज, वो भी आपकी कैसी होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए आपके पास पूरी फैसिलिटी होनी चाहिए। आप आज किसी भी शॉप में जाते हैं, यू सी दे हैव द फैसिलिटी ऑफ रिसीविंग ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स, पेटीएम होगा उनके पास, फोन पे होगा। वो आपको ये नहीं कहेंगे कि इफ यू डू नॉट हैव कैश तो आप कल दे दो ना, दे विल टेल आप फोन पे कर दीजिए, आप गूगल पे कर दीजिए, पेटीएम से कर दीजिए। वी हैव ऑल द फैसिलिटीज ऑफ रिसीविंग ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स and also making online payments. Why? To make the business move smoother, to facilitate every person according to the requirements. Anything anybody would like to ask?
Sir, please repeat third point again.
Third one. Third point, which one? Please. Technical
staff. Yes, sir.
टेक्निकल स्टाफ। टेक्निकल स्टाफ का मतलब है दैट whoever is working in your organization or in your business enterprise, they should be well qualified. They should be well qualified. All the persons should be well qualified. They should have all the training required. They should have all the requirements of doing business. They should know how to operate. They should know how to deal. ना, उनको सारी चीजें आनी चाहिए ना, जो भी आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं उसमें जिस चीज की भी, जो अब उन्हें कंप्यूटर चलाना नहीं आता, उन्हें नेट चलाना नहीं आता, दे डू नॉट नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट थिंग्स, तो फिर बड़ी डिफिकल्टी हो जाएगी। सो यू शुड अपॉइंट सच पर्सन्स, दोज हु आर वेरी वेरी talented or experienced or they know each and everything. इसके बाद आपका इसमें दो टॉपिक है that we will do tomorrow, right? Or maybe it will take one more day, but we will be able to finish. Next topic तो बिल्कुल सिंपल है, you just see, I will just explain it quickly because we will also revise the chapter afterwards again. ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस कैसे होती हैं, उनकी क्या स्टेप्स हैं। नंबर वन इज रजिस्ट्रेशन। whenever you want to go online, जो सेलर होते हैं वो अपने आप को रजिस्टर कराते हैं और अपनी गुड्स का क्या करते हैं, अपनी गुड्स का, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स का एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते हैं, मार्केट में बताते हैं। आपको जब नई गुड्स और सर्विसेज के बारे में पता चलता है तभी आप जो है जाके उनको क्या करते हैं, खरीदते हैं, उनको जाके जो है ऑर्डर करते हैं। कस्टमर को जब भी कोई चीज की जरूरत होती है, ही नीड टू फिल द फॉर्म। आप जब भी ऑनलाइन कुछ मंगाते हैं वो आपसे बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मांगते हैं, अबाउट यू, अबाउट योर एड्रेस, अबाउट योर ईमेल आईडी, अबाउट योर क्वालिफिकेशन एंड ऑल, समटाइम्स दे आस्क। तो वो सारी चीजें अपने पास वो स्टोर करते हैं ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ यू डू द शॉपिंग अगेन यू नीड नॉट फिल ऑल दोज इंफॉर्मेशन अगेन। सेकेंड वन इज प्लेसिंग द ऑर्डर। फिर आप ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं अपना, वट एवर ऑर्डर यू प्लेस, उसके बाद उसमें आप ये फिल करते हैं कि पेमेंट क्या होगी, कैसे होगी, हाउ विल यू मेक द पेमेंट, whether it will be by debit card, credit card, online banking, via app or cash on delivery, COD. Different options are given. नेट बैंकिंग से आप करेंगे या आप जो है डेबिट कार्ड से करेंगे, क्रेडिट कार्ड से करेंगे, ये दूसरी स्टेज है। थर्ड स्टेज में you get the delivery of the product. Third stage is delivery of the product. The product is delivered within a particular time period. वो आपको पहले से बता देते हैं कि इतने टाइम में आपको प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, डिलीवर हो जाएगा. So I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Anybody would like to ask anything? इसके बाद इसमें जो है ई बिजनेस में क्या क्या रिस्क है वो बताएं आपको. ट्रांजैक्शनल रिस्क, जब आप ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं कोई भी ई बिजनेस में, तो ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट में क्या क्या डिफरेंट रिस्क है और उनके मेजर्स अगर आपको उन्हें हटाना है, दूर करना है, तो कैसे करेंगे. फिर इसमें लास्ट टॉपिक है आउटसोर्सिंग, दैट वी विल डू टुमारो. From next day onwards, we will do the revision of first 3 chapters. Anybody? Anything you would like to ask?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Anybody can repeat the limitations of e-business? Yes.
Sir, first is no personal touch is there.
Very good.
Risk is involved.
Okay.
Sir, need for technology capability
Yes. You need to.
and
Sir,
people resistance.
People resistance is there because they do not want to indulge themselves in further training and development programs, and if they do not know it, then it is difficult for them to operate. And
sir, moral ethics are not followed.
yes, moral ethics are not followed because there is no personal touch. Personal touch नहीं है तो when there is no interaction, अगर आप मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे, मैं आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा हूं, तो हम जो है कई बार उसमें क्या होता है, देयर इज नो मॉरल एथिक्स फॉलोड. आप कैसे बैठे हैं, कहाँ बैठे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है. When person is face to face, they have some some foundations, they have some respect to be followed, they have a sense of appreciation, the sense of dignity. Everything is to be followed when you are face to face. When you are not face to face, हम कैमरा बंद करके तुम्हें पढ़ाएंगे तो आप थोड़ी देर बाद सुनेंगे भी नहीं. You will not be able to concentrate. अभी हम जो है ये चीजें बोल रहे हैं बिना कैमरे, like this, तो आप कितनी देर सुनेंगे हमारी बात? 2 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट. देन यू विल से क्या पता सर जो है रिकॉर्ड करके बोल रहे हो, है क्या पता सर वहां पर बैठे भी एक नहीं है, रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है, और समथिंग इज you will not find it interesting, you will not find it in a good taste. So that is why interaction face to face is very important. जब आपका ओपन होगा तो you will see the person speaking, you will have direct contact, and also you will understand better because of the facial expression also. So many things are there, so many gestures are there, so many ways are there, and it is always considered better one when you have face to face interaction, because it also helps in following moral ethics. So moral ethics are very important. आप जब आते हैं क्लास में तो आप कहते हैं ना गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, और वेलकम, हाउ आर यू, हाउ आर द स्टूडेंट्स. Teacher will ask you, you will also ask the teacher about them, and it will not be there if nobody is seeing one another, if there is no interaction. So you have to also see that e-business has some limitations also. So overcoming those limitations, we should focus more on the advantages. That's all for today. Thank you. Come back tomorrow, complete your work, prepare well. tests
Thank you,
which
sir.
are going to be conducted very soon. Keep your work updated.
Thank you.
Keep your work updated. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.